I was woke up to feed him and he won't eat.
Nope, guess not.
Get your ass over here and eat.
Just bring it out here. He will be ready.
Poor dog.
Oh my god, that was too funny.
Right? He got it from his uncle.
Maybe it's because I've never had a puppy this small that I've never seen that happen before.
What's that?
Because I've never had a little dog.
Right, because at that age, a big dog would only be a week old. So you wouldn't have them at that age.
Right? He's like, you can't come over here. Get out of my bed.
Crawl in bed with the
Get out of my bed. This is my bed. Get out of my bed.
Baba.
Be nice.
Don't let him hurt him, okay?
Go. Stop it. Okay. Whatever.
Turn the video on.
No. What? Where did you come from?
Oh, cold.
This is just too funny. This puppy is just too funny.
He hears your mom.
He's like, what the heck? Go. Are you jealous? I think he's jealous.
Of course he is.
Ooh.
We'll get him a bed today, Aubrey, when your mom goes to get her hair done.
What?
When your mom goes to get her hair done, we'll run to the pet store, a real pet store. Oh, speaking of real pet stores, there's a large cover for a kennel out there, a large pad. Where I found that crate.
Hey, Dad.
There's a large
I thought you
kennel.
said going to the vet.
Did I say going to the vet?
I think so.
It's red, babe.
Remington. Come here, puppy. Hi. Hi. Stop it, Cole. You little puppy.
There's a pet store with us, babe.
What in the world? Choo! Hey, little puppy. Don't you? Jealous. Jealous face.
Hey, hey!
Remington! Come here, Remington! Hi, puppy! Hi! Hi! You poor little dog.
Baba, no! Ruger!
Say what? Stop it. Hi. Bite my arm. Are you just gonna bite my arm? One rambunctious playful puppy. Are you okay?
Ruger!
Where'd go? Oh, he's right behind me. Come on, Colt.
There's nobody there, dude.
Come on, Colt.
Actually, my guys are not gone yet.
Come
You may have heard
on,
that.
Colt. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Papa. What? Oh no. Daddy!
What? What?
Remington tinkled.
Okay,
Again.
You have to wipe it up right away with
Free?
toilet paper.
I don't get it. Do I keep? Wait.
Take a little piece of toilet paper. Where?
What the?
Where?
Where's that water?
No, that's probably tinkle. It's not water.
Yeah, but
Just
this one's
step in
walking
it.
through it.
I know.
Because
Ow.
it's not cleaned up,
Ow.
Aubrey.
Yeah, just pick up a little bit of toilet paper,
Jesus.
clean it up, and then put it in the toilet.
I thought you were supposed to
He's
put it in
eating.
the trash.
No, not in the trash, in the toilet if it's toilet paper. Toilet paper. I didn't know you were videoing. Locking it up now.
That's such a big butt.
Baby.
He has a big butt.
He has really weird feet. I don't know, maybe it's just puppy feet.
Well, he is a puppy, so. Remington. Remington. Okay. Papa. Remington. Here you go, puppy.